Let's talk about Mouzz, the cursor highlighter tool for Mac. Well, if you're tired on just having a regular mouse cursor like this on Mac, you might want to give Mouzz a go. Let's go through the different Mouzz features. After downloading Mouzz from mouzz.dev via the Mac App Store, you will find your Mouzz application in the menu bar right here, and when you press on it, you will get into this lovely menu right here. Then just click on Enable Mouzz, and you will see all the features just right here. First of all, we have the Spotlight feature, which is great to highlight things on your Mac. You will see that you will get this lovely spotlight right here that lets you spotlight anything on your Mac screen. In fact, it also works perfectly fine on external monitors. So even if you have 2 or 3 monitors, you will be able to spotlight anything with it. For example, if you're doing screen recordings like the one I'm doing right here, then using a spotlight is amazing to highlight individual steps. So if you're doing a tutorial, for example, you could simply highlight Discover here first, then say go to categories, then go to games, open up business or whatever. You already see it like this. It's much easier to follow what you're actually doing on screen. One thing to point out is that the spotlight works both on windows like this, no matter whether they're full screen or not. So this window here is not in full screen, but even if I change it to full screen, this is still going to work perfectly fine. A lot of the mouse cursor tools that are currently available on the macOS store, they are very buggy, and a lot of these features just do not work properly if they even offer something like Spotlight. Next in line we have the ring cursor tool. To activate it, simply click here on top, and then we are going to deactivate the Spotlight and activate ring mode. And just like that we have a lovely ring around our cursor. This as well facilitates navigation on screen, and for people it's going to be much easier to see your cursor when you show things. Now let's see what else we have. We also have click feedback right here. So when this is activated, when I click somewhere, you can see that we will get some lovely feedback. Then as you can see here, we also have click sounds, and with this activated, whenever you do a mouse click, you will hear that lovely click sound. We even have cursor trails. So when you click on that, when you then move the mouse cursor, you will see that we then have this cool trail effect. Now with Mouzz you can obviously also customize all of these settings. Simply go to settings right here, then switch to the effects tab, and you will find the settings right here. So for example, if you would like to customize the ring cursors, simply activate it from here, and you can then customize the ring size, you can customize the thickness, as well as the ring color. You can even animate the ring if wanted. Now for all of these effects you have these customization options. So for example for the spotlight effect, here as well you can change the spotlight size, you can change the spotlight opacity as well as the background darkness. Now last but not least, Mouzz also comes with hotkeys. You can easily define your own shortcuts to either enable or disable Mouzz, to toggle on the spotlight, to toggle the ring cursor, the cursor trail, the click feedback and click sounds. When you're doing screen recordings with Mouzz, this will come in handy to quickly toggle between the different tools. Now, as Mouzz is still very new on the Mac App Store, I would like to give away some Mouzz licenses for free. As you can see here, the regular one-time price for Mouzz is $4.99. However, if you're one of the first 50 people to reach out to me, either by leaving a comment on this video or by contacting me at contact@mouzz.dev, I will send you a promo code to get Mouzz completely for free. Also, if you do have some feedback or wishes for future versions of Mouzz, please make sure to leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Have a nice one, guys. Bye.